Do you have a kitchen cupboard that just won't close anymore? It's just gone off center and you think there's nothing you can do? Well, it's actually a really easy fix. So this cupboard's hitting at the top, but it seems fine at the bottom. Now if you go inside the cupboard, you'll notice there's a hinge here. It's got a couple of screws here. So I'll show you on this bottom one. This one here makes the door go in and out. And this one here makes the door go side to side. So basically you just need to adjust these screws to get the door to the right adjustment as you want. And that is how you adjust the door so it closes nicely again. Now you may need to adjust both hinges on both doors to get it perfectly level, but that's how you get it to close again.